We just watched It Ends With Us. We weren't impressed.
Very intoxicating.
Hi guys, we've arrived in Auckland.
First night in New Zealand.
And I'll show you our little spot for the night. Lovely little spot here. It's giving hospital a little bit. This is my bed. Super comfy, guys.
So jealous of that. That extra layer you've got though, it's going to give you the best, like, it's like memory foam in this.
Honestly, I said
and this is just going to be me.
I said it's all about a comfort mindset. If you tell yourself you're comfy,
I'm really comfortable.
if you tell yourself you're comfy, you will be.
I'm so comfy. The floor moulds to my body. I've got my retainer.
Okay. God, that's a nice feeling.
Am I pretending to be asleep or
Yeah. Come in, guys. Why do I look like that? Hey guys. Long night. It's now 2 o'clock, guys. Still the same day as we arrived this morning. And we're at Queenstown, about to get on the old gondola.
So excited.
The weather's picked up, so it's like lovely sunny.
Did you get any of the rain this morning?
No.
We wore our jeans.
Yeah, look.
Too hot. I haven't worn jeans in like over a month.
We're all different shades. Beautiful. Danny drove the car.
Yes.
Did you like
Nice
it?
car, very
You
smooth. I
prefer the drive.
I prefer
it's a bit
like the
modern.
Yeah, the technology.
It's a bit
of the
older.
last
Like
one.
we can't. Haven't got the. Yeah, I mean, there's no sat nav, so we need to figure that out. It's going okay.
It's
Our
really
room's
smooth.
nice as well. I'll show you that later. But right now we're getting on the gondola, guys. So I'll show you the views.
We don't want to have any blood sugar. I have you about pass out too.
Doing, guys.
Just contemplating how much this bloody thing cost us.
I mean, it is stunning. It was £30, guys, to come up.
God, they're making money over us.
There they are.
That's the checkpoint thing, isn't it? Where they just got like dumped under the water. Go out, have some cold.
Just as it dips down here, it would be cute. Oh. Good morning, guys.
Hello.
It is maybe day one, like officially.
I'm
Kind
willing
of.
to count as a day one.
Yeah. In New Zealand. This is our little room that we've got. I'll show you. That's the view from our room, which is stunning. We're staying at Reaver's Lodge. Recommend so far. And then this is our room. So we've got like the bunk beds down here, which Maddie and myself are on. Ignore the mess. Then we get a little like kitchenette. Oh, sorry. I love your book on the hob.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, fridge, all that good stuff. And then we got a little bathroom. And then Danny's up on the mezzanine.
Feel very bougie up there.
Yeah, we thought Danny needed a little treat. So she's got the big double bed up here. Gorgeous. So on today's agenda, we are going to Bob's Cove, which we've heard lovely things about. I'm driving the car today, so...
Very exciting. And what have we decided to call the car, Luigi?
Luigi, because the number plate is LUG
Yeah.
at the start.
And it's definitely a guy. That's her.
She's a bit overcast. This first one here.
She's pretty grey. She's
Yeah,
nice.
she's grey.
I've got to say
It's he. Definitely a he compared to the yellow of Katie. Okay, we will update you when we get there.
Bye, T.
Bye.
Thank you. Ooh.
How much of everything would you like in? All of you in? Like feet?
Well, I'm happy for you to have
Creative direction.
Yeah. Cheese. Very cute. Very pretty. Topsies. Topsies.
It's your favourite vlogger.
Sorry, guys. I'm just.
Hey, we can walk along. Oh, maybe not actually. Might be a bit hard to squeeze through there. This is Bob's Cove, everyone. I think the actual beachy covey bit's around here, but we just wanted to explore off the beaten track a bit.
Yeah, of course.
So we're at our own.
Did
little
actually
bit.
say track closed and we went through because we're pretty badass. We don't follow the rules.
We see warning. They see warning. We see adventure.
Oh my god. Next Instagram caption.
That's a quote of the trip. Is it cold?
No, but it's like fine. Refreshing. Yeah, lovely and refreshing. We should get in.
Running, guys. Hey guys, we jumped in. Hi guys, haven't started the vlog today, but we've done the drive to Milford Sound. It's a long one, 4 hours. And now we're about to get on our cruise. They're all out there. You guys excited?
So excited.
Seats secured. Seats secured.
Secured.
This is our view so far. Looking pretty good.
They're like walking to battle. Oh god!
Maybe I put her here. She fell over! How? Hey guys, it's a very exciting day today. Skydiving day.
Skydiving day. I feel like it will just kind of hit us on the plane up.
Yeah. Debating paying for the video because it's quite expensive, but if I do, then obviously I'll insert the clips. But that's kind of crazy.
My plan is, I don't think any of us have told our parents, have we?
No.
And we're planning on just sending a really casual video or photo
Yeah.
to the group chat.
Yeah. Do you know what'd be really weird? This video that we're filming right now would be really tragic if we die.
Oh,
This is what they'll show on the documentary.
Yeah, and they'll play this on
So hi guys, hi documentary, if you're watching.
I didn't say that.
This will be really sad because I know watching videos, it's like, oh, she was so full of life, so young.
Yeah. She was so young.
She was so young and just living her life.
Well, I sent my sister goodbye messages last night, and I just wanted to pass on the words to the family.
This is the outfit for today.
How are you feeling? Pre-flight.
I'm so excited.
The adrenaline's slowly building. It's nice. About to head off, take to the skies. We're on our way. We've had our debrief, haven't we?
Yeah.
Very how's everyone feeling? Excited? Now we know all the positions, all the necessary manoeuvres.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was fun. He kind of
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm more excited than right. I'm gonna die now, which is great.
Yeah. Anyway, bye guys.
Hello, girls.
We've got
And we did 10,000 feet, not 9,000.
They took us up slightly too high.
Yeah, guys, I was the first to go.
Yeah.
And that was so scary for me left in the plane watching these two go fast.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh my god, I died!
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Oh my god.
It was amazing. It was like as you were falling, I was like,
Yeah.
Lucy and Maddie, I love you.
I feel like I'm still like kind of shaky.
I just couldn't stop smiling. Like I thought. We also said we didn't think we'd be as vocal as we were.
I was yelling, I think.
Yeah,
I
think
can't
I was
really
like,
remember.
woo! And he goes like, this is amazing. This is amazing.
This is so amazing. I could see both of you. I was trying to get you to wave, but I
Yeah.
didn't think you could see me.
So my top just fell victim to a ketchup.
Oh no. I fell in love with my skydiving instructor, guys.
Yeah,
Guys, Maddie had the most. Oh yeah, explain the.
Well, so like mine came over first and was like, Lucy.
Yeah, Lucy got taken away pretty quickly.
And I was like, oh, hi. And I think my guy was like
The leader.
the leader guy.
We were talking as well. Danny and I were together, and then he like squeezed past Danny.
This guy squeezed past me, but his hand on my lower back, and I was like.
And then I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, and I was like,
him.
oh.
And he was like,
Yeah, we were like, he's handsome.
Yeah.
And then literally as soon as he said that, he popped around his head around the corner and went, Maddie? And we were like, what? We were like hitting each other like,
And then Danny was cracking me up because just before Danny was like, I hope I get someone taller than me because otherwise I'm going to be like...
Yeah.
Anyway, I turned around and Danny's with this guy that's like...
half my height. And he just walked out and I was like, I literally know I know he was mine. And he was like, Daniela. He was from Brazil and he was really nice. Like, I loved him so much, but I just thought, crikey, when we were like on the plane, you have to like they sit behind you, but I was like, I just feel ginormous because my legs are like so much longer than his and his are like little things next to me. Oh. But also we were in these hats that were like really pointy. So like they're not your regular aesthetic videos that you see like
guys,
everyone
they're
have
not
on
gonna
Instagram. Like when they're just in
in our
t-shirts and
clothes.
shorts,
No.
cute hair, and they're just like, woo, got the goggles on. We are in full kit and like mine was low-key skinny fit.
no, it wasn't.
I put it on and I was like, oh, she's tight around the legs. My instructor was very funny. Really liked him. He was like, oh, is it your first time? And I was like, yeah. And I was like, I guess it's yours as well, yeah? And he went, no, second time. So, you know, we had banter from the get-go. He's my soulmate. That's great.
It's one big... Have you got them?
Package is now available.
Stop it.
Where's my...
Oh my
I got mine
god.
17 minutes ago. Crikey.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
That is so heavy. Damn.
Barbecue mellow man.
Oh no. Got the Ferg burger, guys. I got the classic Ferg burger with brie. Danny got, what did you get?
I got, the name sounds awful, it's called Sweet Bambi. Yeah, it's like a venison one with brie and like caramelised chutney.
Sounds lovely. Thank you. And Maddie got the classic as well. Normal cheese, cheddar. And we're just sat by the beach. Oh, hey guys. Okay. Guys, it's looking good.
Yeah, man.
Look at the side.
Good.
Good.
Job.